Well, the verdict is now in. Pablo Cruz guilty of second-degree murder. He is the local man accused of being behind the wheel during a deadly hit and run in 2012. The jury turning in that verdict just hours ago at Albany County Court. Kimberly Howard is joining us live from there tonight and walk us through what happened there in court today. Kimberly.
Well, Cruz was facing 11 counts, but the most serious second-degree murder. Now, that is the key count that could put Cruz away for a long time. However, he was acquitted on one count, reckless endangerment. It was a unanimous verdict, but it got some split reaction.
You find the defendant, Pablo Cruz, guilty of the charge of murder in the second degree under the first count of the indictment, so say you all.
Yes.
It all came to this, a week of testimony wrapped up in days. The verdict, little comfort for Paul Merges Jr.'s grieving family.
Today we'll leave and he'll go back to jail for probably a good portion of the remainder of his life. Us, on the other hand, will go to the cemetery to see my brother.
The jury came back into court 2 times before making their decision, once for clarification as to what Cruz was charged with, the other to rehear key testimony from a top investigator. When all was said and done, the prosecution was pleased.
The jury spent a lot of time evaluating everything, and I think they came to the right decision.
But the defense, not so much. Attorney Michael Feit filed a motion for the jury to reflect on their decision further, since they convicted Cruz on every applicable count except for one, something Feit says doesn't make sense.
That application by me, that motion by me, was denied by the judge. So that's an issue that will have to be re-examined at some later point in time. There are other issues, certainly his competency.
And Cruz's competency is an issue that his daughter echoed. We could not speak with her on camera and show her because she is a minor, but she said that she wanted her father's side of the story told. She said that Pablo Cruz was a changed man after he spent some time behind bars, and this fight is not over. And indeed, it's possible that the fight is not over because Cruz is able to appeal this verdict, something that he can't do until sentencing, which will be at the end of September. And when he is sentenced, he could spend the rest of his life behind bars. Live outside the Albany County Courthouse, Kimberly Howard, CBS 6 News.